That is a scam right there.
What is up, guys? Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. Look who we have here. Stick it out, stick it out. And our tongues are here too. Fabulous. So the day of today, we have a really exciting video. We're actually partnering up with e.l.f. Cosmetics. As you guys have probably seen, we are the Brow BFFs.
Yes.
The Brow BFFs, honey. But yeah, it was like a really fun campaign to be a part of. We both love e.l.f. Cosmetics. We absolutely love their brow products. And then we got to do this campaign together. So honestly, living. But the day of today, we are actually going to be doing something fun, something that I've not done on my channel. You said you've done like a makeup
I've done
one?
it a long time ago, but it was like a full face, so it wasn't just like specifically brows. But brows and liner are the hardest parts.
Okay, so perfect. So we are going to be doing our eyebrows with our favorite e.l.f. Pencils and stuff, but without a mirror. We do have future videos coming where we have like actually doing our brows and showing you guys like how to do it. Also, there's a bunch of videos over on e.l.f.'s channel where both of us do several kinds of brow looks. So if you guys need like a real brow tutorial, then those are gonna be in the description box below. But are you excited for today's video?
Yeah, but I'm nervous.
I know, me too. We actually on her channel did the Not My Hands
Brow challenge.
Brow challenge.
Because we tried to do our brows with no hands, and it was,
let me tell you, it's a lot harder
it was
than you would
so
imagine.
much harder than you would think, okay? It was so hard.
And then my
but
neck.
I'm not gonna lie, we came up with some good looks. Mine was like a natural, fluffy, feathery look, and then yours
Mine was like a trendy, like 2030.
very trendy.
Yeah.
Okay, very trendy.
It's gonna come in,
Just
trust me. And you'll know we started it. But yeah, so that is what we're gonna be doing today. Are you ready?
I'm
We're about
ready.
to turn off this monitor, honey.
Skirt, skirt.
All right, so we decided to add a little twist. All right, a little
twist,
a little
salt on there,
should
a
we,
little,
like, try to
a little twist. You know,
That was so
we're so weird.
Okay, so we decided to add a little twist. If you didn't get that before.
Period.
And now what we are doing is wait, what are we doing?
We're doing the no mirror
No
brows
mirror,
challenge.
but also
left hand, but also timing it to try to make it as fast as we possibly can.
Yes.
And also, there's a punishment. So Nick is going to rate us. And then applause. Nick afterwards, after we finish, is gonna rate how we do, and the person that does the worst brows has to drink this whole bottle of hot sauce.
wait, the whole bottle? I don't even think that's possible. Okay, yeah, he said no.
A cup of hot sauce.
And then me really sell it.
And then a cup of hot sauce.
Oh, yeah, a little like a shot or something.
Oh.
Just cause tomorrow
And then
is our lunch
I was
party
ready for
and
more.
we don't want to die. So, but it's a little something. You know what I mean? Okay, so are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
All
I'm
right.
already stressed.
Same. It's like a weird.
Yeah.
I don't
Because
know.
usually I have my mirror like right here when I do
know.
this part, so to not have a mirror at all is just it's not a thing.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my fave Ultra Precise Brow Pencil, of course.
Oh my god, wait, I'm going in with that one too. What?
It is
Love
the
that.
best.
Okay.
It is the best.
Set, we're ready. I'm nervous. Okay, should I put this like higher up here just so we can see it? Okay.
Okay, wait, left hand?
Yeah, with my left hand.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I've done this before with my like normal hand, and it was.
You were
pretty
touching
hard.
your head, so I was trying to touch my head, but it doesn't help me. Oh god, what am I doing with my
Hair
other
like
hand?
strokes, you know. Actually, my grandma was ambidextrous.
What does that mean?
That she can use both hands equally,
feel
and she
like-
was a painter, and she could actually do it.
Really?
Like paint with both hands.
I feel like I don't know how I feel about that term. It's like a lot.
Ambidextrous.
Yeah.
Ooh! Oh, I was gonna switch hands. I'm feeling good though. Honestly, I'm feeling pretty good.
I feel like your yell intimidated me just now.
It should. It should.
Love
honestly.
my eyebrows. They look so good right now. Do you see what I'm doing there?
Wait, is it who can finish faster and do it better, or just better?
Well, I think just better.
Oh.
No? I don't know why I keep looking up. Oh, I feel like I messed up. Ah.
Nick, how are we doing?
You're doing fantastic. Actually, I can't really tell. You guys just started.
Oh,
What? I thought I was almost done already. I'm not even gonna lie.
No wonder you were like, is it who does it faster? And then me, what?
And then me, I'm almost already done.
It's gonna be hard for you to pick. And then him, no, yours looks really bad. And then me, I really want to grab my other hand.
Same, I keep wanting to switch my pencil. Okay. I have to be careful with the Wow Brow because it has like a tint. It's not just like a clear brow gel, it's like a tinted brow gel and has fibers. Oh, no, no, no.
And then me.
And then you, okay.
And then me, I'm gonna mind my business. And then me.
Oh my God, it's so hard with the left hand.
Okay, and then me, I was about to grab it. Oh no, I'm going in with the Wow Brow. Oh wow, I was about to put that on as mascara.
Brows brushed up, ready to go. So obviously you have to clean them up, so we're still gonna do that, I guess.
Okay.
So I took the Tan Sand,
Mine is
16-hour camo concealer.
This one is in medium beige. Okay. Oh wow, this is gonna be so hard. Oh, we still have 3 minutes.
That's why I was like, I don't know why you keep adding time. It's enough time.
I feel like I should focus, like do more.
What?
Like I feel like I should do more because I still have time, which is probably not the best thing to do. You're doing it with your right hand.
Oh,
you cheater!
Gosh, I know. I didn't even mean to do that, honestly.
How long has she been doing it,
I don't know. I just did that on accident, obviously.
Okay, it's fine.
And I mean, wow,
and
that was...
Nick, you weren't really policing well here.
I'm focused on other things.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this is so much harder. I was kind of wondering, like, why is
and
this
then
getting
you,
so
this
easy?
is a piece of
I mean,
cake.
this is really getting
and then you
easy.
have been doing the whole thing with your right hand.
No, I don't think I was, honestly. I think it was just the concealer part that I started.
And then everybody behind the screen, hey, she's doing it with her, hey! And then me, okay.
Oh my God, that is so hard. Oh my gosh, that is so hard right there. It is so hard to like... My whole life is a lie.
Wow, that did not feel good. Oh, doing my left brow is gonna be even harder. How do you... We have a minute and 39 seconds. Listen. I can't tell you anything. We're competing against each other. We have a minute and 38 seconds. A minute. Maybe that's why you were like, what? That's a lot of time.
Right.
Yeah, because you were like easy peasy with your right hand. You know what I love is what I do with my other hand. I'm sitting here like...
Okay. Oh my gosh, I keep this in my other hand.
I feel like I'm making the ugliest faces right now.
Oh shit, that's also in my hand.
Oh god.
I'm like looking at the monitor as if I could see something, but I like really can't.
And then I'm like looking at nothing.
Yeah.
Let's see.
And then me still using my left hand. So Nick. But the bottom, I think it was too dark for you. I think you used my concealer because it's a bit orangey.
Oh,
crusty.
It's very crusty.
Little crusty crab orange.
I'm not even mad. It's very chill. It's fine. No, yours look good.
Do they?
Yeah.
Nick, come. So Nick is gonna come and be the real judge to see who needs to eat this bottle or drink.
Eat this bottle.
And
then me.
View.
Okay, you have to go up to the front where you can see the light.
Okay.
The light.
Yesenia. Okay, so the filling in of the brows looks great. If you could have blended the concealer just a little bit more. Roxette.
And then him, I have 2 cards and yours
You
isn't
actually did a pretty good job.
Woo!
And then him, the winner is Yesenia. And then
like,
I was robbed.
Okay,
And then me, what? And then me, this is biased.
My job
This
here
was
is
rigged.
done.
So drink up.
How much am I supposed to drink?
Like half the bottle.
half the bottle? No, I'm gonna die.
How much, Nick?
It's a good amount. I don't know.
What does that even mean?
You're gonna throw up if you drink half the bottle.
Okay, yeah. So, how much should I do? Like the whole, no, like that? And then me, okay. We're doing this.
Oh, it's not coming out.
Oh, why?
Do we have to like, I don't know. Ugh.
Oh God, that was a bad idea to like taste it first.
It's not coming out though. Okay, round 2 because it wasn't coming out. So, we're gonna do it like this. But some of it is gonna, oh, now it's coming out though.
Oh no, it's really coming out. What?
This is what half the bottle is? Let me, that is a scam right there.
Oh my God.
This,
A conspiracy theory coming soon.
and then me, I don't know,
That's
we just
actually
discovered
so
something.
crazy.
That was half the bottle, and it literally, all it looks like is this.
That's nothing. This is what I would use half a bottle for my oysters. Oh God. You want to smell it?
Ooh!
It smells so gross.
It's like, this one has like an extra kick.
Yeah.
You literally just drank half the bottle. Like, legit.
I mean, it's not that bad right when you taste it, but I'm starting to feel it in the back of my tongue. Why
I just wanted to taste it. I just wanted to be like in pain with you because like I felt
love
kind
you.
of bad, honestly.
I love her. I love
So then
her.
I was like, you know what? I'll just try it. It really kicks in though.
After.
It's like I feel
It's
it like
like-
here. Like I feel it down here in my chest. Oh my God, it's really still
That's
burning.
really nasty.
Ugh. That was worse than the spicy noodle challenge, literally.
I'm getting really hot.
I know, I'm starting to get hot too. Okay.
It's getting a little heated. Am I
spicy up
turning
in
red?
here.
I feel like I'm turning red.
Yeah, a little. Oh my gosh, it's like, it like burns more as time
Yeah,
goes
as
by.
time goes by.
And then I was, thanks so much for watching.
That is video.
Oh my God.
It hurts really bad.
It's
in the back
like
of
the
my
more
throat.
that time goes by,